Good morning. This morning, my sister again.
Yes, morning.
Hi, Reba.
Hi, Reba. Hello, Mr. Driver. Okay. This morning we're going on a little adventure. We have the whole day. This lady, she really like a tour guide. She should be doing her own tour business.
I am just a walking jeopardy.
Okay. So we have a whole day plan. Today we're going to see the old army base. It's a hike. You're gonna enjoy the hike, getting up there. You know, some of the footage I will bring it to you guys, but let me get myself together.
She talk to people up your watch. Once you see them coming back here,
Now, if there hardly any persons around, then, but here's a trail that is frequented by a lot of people, so you won't have any.
Okay. I hear you're gonna see a lot of howler monkeys along the way, so they say. I hope so.
Like how that's young monkeys are not friends.
Well, that's true. It may not be the case, but
Let's just say
you can be friends with them though. So this is the Bamboo Cathedral. It looked like it want to rain now, boy. What happened?
Nah, just do a little video.
Right now it seems like you're on MT.
You have to do the entrance something now.
Okay.
she doing the entrance in case she but I think
Yeah.
Right. She could say, yes, I went to the army base.
when you studying, you alone behind, and you want to come with this finish road. You want to finish this road.
No, when she get home, she'll be watching the videos. She like, you see, I did it. I went to the old army base.
I did it.
You reach the hill later, it's a hill.
Oh my God, no. No, but you see, I think it's a paved hill.
One time it's a hill, we go
Just take your time and
that's take your time. But I'm looking for a stick.
Oh,
I don't want a stick.
plenty bamboo.
Nah, not any stick, man.
Something work could stop. Well,
Stretch in case I have to run.
yeah.
I go not stretch here. Only laugh. I go not be running. I'll be in front of her.
all right. Well, you were doing slippers.
Because I have a cut on my foot. I can't put my foot in stickers right now.
I know, see where she comes from.
She come with Crocs.
No, no, like,
The most
I just don't want to bounce up no snake.
Oi.
This was a
You want to
sharp
hold one
pointer.
for you now?
Okay, you want to hold one?
Yeah, because when you're ready
In
to
case of emergency, let me show you something. Unscrew this thing here and have a point.
Good. I like how you're thinking. Now I want to stick to.
That's why
It's
it's
a
all
all
open.
kind of thing. It's how they look.
But I've exercised, man.
She looking, thinking, oh, there's a monkey
That's a
around.
good exercise. This is a good exercise. You know, I'm telling you how long we take it. It's now, like say we did it 10 o'clock.
Yeah.
We start from 10?
Something like that.
Alright, it's 9 past 10. Alright.
When we progress further on, I'll start taking some more footage. But for right now, I need to focus on my walking. All right? I'll be back. Everybody's all aware of the howler monkeys. I think they're all scared. We still going. Oh my Lord. It's hot and humid though. This is the Caribbean anyway. Tired this? Yeah. God, let's go. We can make it. This is a trail. I don't know where this trail is leading to.
Got bathroom.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, got bathroom.
Oh, whew. I'm surely gonna lose some weight. This is an all-day adventure day for us. Going to the old station with the satellite dish. After this, we're gonna go to the ambulatory. Check out how that is there. And let me see, I wanted to go to the hummingbird sanctuary. So let's see how the day go. I hope the weather hold up today, you know, because I really want to enjoy my time here in Trinidad. Oh, this is my third day. Yesterday I went to what is called the it was the agricultural explorer that had different agricultural stuff like fruits, drinks and stuff. You want to check that out? I'll put a part of the video in this video I'm doing now. I'll put a part of it in there so you guys can see part of my day yesterday. Yesterday I didn't really do no vlogging. I went to the water wheel. It's nice. It's a really nice area in Diego Martin. Wow. This is a big drop off. Wow. This you gotta be careful with. We keep going though. My sister wanted to come and check out this festival that they have. Name of the fruit? Manicu Frey. Wow.
Right, but this look like it has already been harvested, but you see some pink buds coming up there.
Okay.
It looks like a banana.
Oh.
People eat that.
Yeah, I heard about it. And I heard it's like something like a pear. It looked like a pear.
No, it looks like a small little tiny banana.
Oh, okay.
And it kind of has the consistency, I believe. Slight tartness, like a soursop.
Oh,
or
okay.
maybe yam or sugar apple kind of consistency flesh.
Okay.
But we don't have any here out of season. Somebody along the path probably eat it.
Yeah, they probably did already.
Somebody look like they harvested the center.
Okay.
Or the animals, the howler monkeys could have probably
Yeah,
come
that's
and eat
true.
it.
Wow.
I'm not seeing much. Well, beside the common valleys, they
Right.
unusual bacchanal trees and stuff on the path. I'm not seeing much fruit trees. Mangoes out of season, so you won't get any mangoes.
Right.
Now, when I'm abroad traveling
Uh-huh.
and it's really cold,
Okay.
like in winter, it will hit. But other than that,
We're probably halfway. Wow. Okay. Here have a beautiful view. But it should maintain it, like cut the grass.
I just watch your feet there. I just now find hopefully that you don't fall over there.
Okay.
Because I'm not sure.
Let me check out this lookout. Oh, actually over there the path is more clearer. Don't have no grass there, so. Okay. This is North Coast, okay. Wow. Beautiful.
Just be careful. Don't pass the roots.
Wow.
Right? I'm trying to remember this precise point. There's a beautiful stony cliff down there. You could see
Oh,
it.
I've seen it.
But most of these areas here, they're not safe to bathe
Oh, okay.
because it's very difficult to get access to these areas unless you have a boat.
Oh, okay, okay.
Understand? And you can see where the Atlantic Ocean is there.
Oh.
You're seeing where the both seas meeting out here. Look. You see where the both oceans, you see the difference?
Oh, wow.
Right, so one is the Caribbean Sea and the other is the Atlantic.
Oh, wow. That's
Right?
cool.
Because remember, at the Northwest Peninsula, there's the Venezuelan Peninsula,
Mm-hmm.
there's the west of Trinidad, and then north of that is the Caribbean Sea,
Okay.
right? And between the Venezuelan Peninsula and our Gulf of Paria is the Orinoco River, right? So the water is very muddy, you could say, or more brown, you know?
Wow.
So let us move away from
I
this.
can't believe that's the
You can see
Atlantic
the
and the
difference.
Caribbean. Yeah.
You can see it, right?
Wow.
Remember, it's 3 different bodies of water. The Caribbean Sea, you have the Atlantic, and then you have the Orinoco River. Water
Oh.
coming out of the Orinoco River.
Okay.
And well, that is Amazon water basically, so it's muddy.
Okay.
So you would see the 3 different types of water, more or less.
Oh,
And the
motion.
Amazon water is more, the water coming from the Amazon basin and the Orinoco is more full of sediments and brown, and
Oh,
fresh
okay.
water is more
Oh.
brackish than Atlantic and the Caribbean Sea.
Okay.
Yeah, I could still go, but
We just came to this sign, not even close. It's a slap in the face. You still gotta keep going up this mountain. Wow. I made it to the top to get to the satellite dish. This is the satellite dish here. Wow. It's a long hike up. I didn't give up. I keep pressing on, and I finally made it up here. Wow. Whoa. Yeah, this is it. This is the back part of it.
this is the back of it.
Yeah. When you go around, you're supposed to see the,
The big white ball.
yeah. Or might be that side to go around.
I make it all the way here, I might as well.
Okay, that's true. My sister them didn't make it to the top. They got tired along the way. Wait, let me see. I want to see the antenna.
Alright, well you go first. You have a stick?
No.
Let's look on the branches above your head to see if it has anything hanging.
Or like a snake. I ain't seen the antenna thing.
I guess you have to go through here.
No, I think if you go around the other side, maybe you'll see it.
You want to go on the other side?
Yeah. Let's try on the other side. Little go over right here.
Not
But
a
it's not
green.
a green. All the go over is green.
Not a green.
Just a go over tree. So you guys see what a go over tree look like?
Somebody broke one of the
like to go over
branches
here.
going low.
Oh yeah. You used to whip you in school when you reach late. Go over
That's
whip
tonka bean. It's one of the hardest wood they have.
and tambran. Oh my gosh.
I never get samba. I get gova from my
Okay.
grandfather.
In school.
Grandfather was vicious.
Okay. In school, I used to hate when I reached late. Oh my god. Or if
You used to get them in school.
Yeah. That's it. Well, the generation today, they don't get licks in school, but growing up in my time, you used to get licks in school. Trying to get to see the antenna itself. I don't know where exactly you have to pass to see it. You don't have signs, so you gotta feel your way around. Our mission accomplished, that we make it to the radar station. Wow,
In one piece.
in one piece. This is cool. Because I was saying to myself, I would put in all that effort to come up and I don't see it. Wow, that's a little sad
What?
for me not to see the,
This is the old radar station.
right.
We don't use this anymore.
How would they
Up
go
on-
over?
Huh?
How would they go over?
Yeah. Cruel and unusual
Oh, wow.
punishment.
I'm sorry, I'm really sorry.
I need something for sustenance.
Oh boy.
I forgot to have breakfast.
Okay,
So I
And-
want to pass out, so I look for the ripest guavas I could find.
right, that's true.
At least I have something there, you know? Look at how much dragonflies. Look above us.
Wow.
You seen them?
Yeah, seeing them.
all kind of colors, green, but mostly green dragonflies.
But you don't have no you're gonna have to go online to know the history behind the station.
Yeah, these parts I try to stay out of. I would come hiking and stuff here with groups, not by myself.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Well, it's relatively safest place to hike in Trinidad, but the whole issue here is once rainfall, they have a lot of
flooding and
or
landslide.
coming down the hill. So you know you don't want to come up here and get trapped up here.
Right, that's true.
You know?
Let me get a shot inside. I'm not going inside it, but
A lot of wasp nests above you.
ooh.
Right, so be careful. Look around.
Okay.
The wasp nest.
All right. This is part of the inside of the old station. I'm not going in there though.
Okay. Just be careful.
This is the back part of the satellite dish station. And far off in the distance, you see the Trini flag. So we're heading back down and on to the next destination.
I don't know.
Troop of monkeys in the trees.
That one is a good. The two primate species we have here in Trinidad.
We just run into these howler monkeys on the trail back out from the Bamboo Cathedral. I wasn't expecting to run into the monkeys, but this is really cool.
It's not a tough hike.
Okay.
It's like literally no hike. It's just a
And what's the name of this waterfall again?
This is the Maracas St. Joseph Waterfall.
Okay, Maracas St. Joseph Waterfall. The hike is not too far, so we on our way to see this waterfall.
I wanted to come yesterday.
So I saw the Amatari.
I wanted to tell me this
It was closed. They have a fee of $100, and it was closed today, so we couldn't get in there. I took a photograph of it, so I'll put it in the video too, so you guys can see how it looks. But this is the waterfall we're going to hike now too. This hike, it's not going to be that bad. But the only thing I like with the other place we went and walk up to the antenna,
Yeah.
the road is paved properly.
Yeah, but these don't have. Here, the only other place you might get a little paving at the area with the Cora River.
Yeah, I've been to Coral River last year.
But you can't it really, it's a river. It's not a
Okay.
waterfall. So,
I've also been to the Valley Sing, I think it is.
Valencia River.
Valencia River. I saw that last year, November.
I needed a pump.
Oh, you feel better now?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just the airway because that's why I used my pump this morning.
No, what happens when you're exercising or you're doing rigorous activities, especially if you're asthmatic, you tend to get a bout of asthma.
Oh,
mild
okay.
asthma attack.
Oh, okay.
So,
Since yesterday was bothering me.
so some people, before any strenuous activity, some people even before going to the gym, they use
Take
their
a inhale.
aspirator
Oh, okay,
before they
okay.
start their workout so that doesn't happen to them,
That's
or
true.
it won't be as severe.
That's true.
So see how you're doing over there?
Yeah.
They're so close, they say get a mild asthma attack.
Wow. Still a good way to walk. But this is where we at right now. Oh, Marcus Waterfall, okay. Alright, this is a sign to the Maracas Waterfall. Everybody's taking out the phone, taking the pics to put it on the Instagram and Facebook page.
I want to get my food going on. And,
You guys can check me on my Facebook page too and my Instagram and my YouTube. Don't forget, Trinidad's Adventure. Out on the adventure hunt. Alright? Living the name. Trinidad's Adventure. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, share my videos please. Let's keep the family growing. Please. Appreciate that.
My doctor took him a long list to think about things there. So I tried to go back and I can't again.
Oh.
You see what I
Oh, I came here many years ago. Like about 40 something years ago.
so once we
I came when my son was like about 3 years old.
Since I am not dressed, I do not have proper footwear for this train.
Okay.
I will be stepping over on the concrete.
Okay, okay. Yeah, I got on my walking shoes today. Prepare for all this hiking.
You know what, I will go
Me up?
going because that's looking sketchy.
Yeah, it is. You was way off the last time when I came.
so you cannot see them to go on there to tell the sister moving in the
My son, they really enjoy it. My son, they really enjoy walking here because the guy take him and put him on his shoulder and he wasn't walking no more.
when he was a little child.
Yeah, he was getting a nice ride around, so he felt good.
But does he seem to have much people here? Unless it's the villagers.
Okay. Water cold though.
Yeah, always cold. That's one of the reasons why I don't like spring to be in spring too much. Yeah, it's always cold.
If it's like dry season, no problem.
Yeah, but I know.
You stay to my left hand.
Okay. Okay. Wow. This is not a waterfall yet, but it's a mini little fall coming down. Wow. Oh Lord. How the heck am I climb over this thing here?
Yeah, just one. So hold this camera.
It's a little tricky.
I'm not worried about myself. Seriously. My God.
Look at the technical.
You are special kind of evil.
No, God, no, don't say that. I just want to show them how the technique is done to come up here. Be careful, okay? That's the technique. Then walk across here. Then we're going onward. Don't forget to hold on there.
I want to climb up.
Oh, you're gonna climb up there?
Yep.
I'm just showing you technique. course they'll be wondering how did I get up there. So I have to show the little technique you have to use.
Yeah, but that was mean.
Oh gosh, no, don't say that.
And this plant is used to make natural shampoo to squeeze it.
Okay.
You'll see a kind of alkaline soapy substance come out of it.
Oh, I've
You
seen
can
it.
use that. So what you, but I'm not gonna squeeze this plant, but when you squeeze it,
Okay.
this one is not mature. It gets bigger than this. When you
Okay.
squeeze it, there's a soapy alkaline substance that comes out of it, and you could use it like soap
Alright.
or shampoo. You see how high and how fast the water is coming from?
Yeah, but I always say nobody knows where the water coming from.
Look at where the source of the water is.
Wow.
So you know that is clean water.
It's true.
I wouldn't mind. I would drink that water.
Okay.
I already drink some on the way out. Now because of the terrain, the only thing you would have living in those areas are birds.
Mm-hmm.
Birds and insects.
Okay.
You would very rarely find wild hogs up there, and we don't have any mountain goats. So
Oh, okay, okay. Finally reached up to the waterfall. Hike is a little difficult, but to take your time, definitely can make it up here. Wow. That's the top of the fall there.
a long time since I've been here.
Whoa. Yeah, it's amazing.
Get it?
Yeah, so
Yeah, mommy.
wow. This is beautiful. Ooh. Go down a little bit. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Going once, going twice.
Take a dip. Nah, I want that cold boy.
See how close down, that rock up there with the water. See how far close down.
Wow. I'm soaking wet from walking. Wow. Wow. Maybe I should have fly the drone. Sure. I never noticed the back. In the back there, I have a small waterfall coming down. Beautiful. Trinidad has some beautiful sights, man. What is it? Alright, I'm gonna start heading back now. The day is almost finished. We had a very good day. Hanging out. Checking out the different sites. I don't. Huh? No, do it from over there. Yeah, we had a good day checking out the different sites, man. So now it's time to head back.